15 animal trivia questions that will test your smarts. Welcome to my channel Quiz Tom. Let's get started. 1. Trivia question. Which animal has 3 hearts? Right answer. Octopus. 2. Trivia question. What animal has the largest eyes in the world? Right answer. A giant squid. 3. Trivia question. Which marine mammals hold hands while they sleep to avoid drifting apart? Right answer. Sea otters. 4. Trivia question. What animals have their hearts inside their heads? Right answer. Shrimp. 5. Trivia question. What is the only fish that can blink with both eyes? Right answer. A shark. 6. Trivia question. What animal sleeps up to 22 hours each day? Right answer. A koala. 7. Trivia question. What kind of fish is known for having green bones? Right answer. A garfish. 8. Trivia question. What was the first animal to be domesticated by humans? Right answer. Goat. 9. Trivia question. What animals have the best hearing? Right answer. Moths. 10. Trivia question. Which animal has 32 brains? Right answer. A leech. 11. Trivia question. Which animal species is the only one where the males carry and birth the babies? Right answer. Seahorses. 12. Trivia question. Which animal mates for life and gives pebbles to its chosen mate? Right answer. Penguins. 13. Trivia question. What is the only mammal that can fly? Right answer. A bat. 14. Trivia question. What animal has the best eyesight? Right answer. Eagles. 15. Trivia question. Which animal has a name based on the Greek word meaning river horse? Right answer. Hippopotamus. How many did you get right? Write in the comments. See you in the next challenge.